Okay, what is this today's topic means how to check whether a given rational number is whether a given rational number is okay terminating or non-terminating or non-terminating. Today I will tell one topic, children. Today I will tell one topic. Tomorrow continuation of this topic I will tell, children, because whenever I will give one number. If it is terminating, then you should convert into decimal without division. If it is non-terminating, no need to convert into decimal. So this I will tell today how to check whether a number is terminating or not terminating. How to convert it into decimal tomorrow I will tell, children, as two parts, so that you will understand. You will have clear understanding. Okay, so children, today I am going to discuss only how to check whether a number is terminating or non-terminating. What is terminating or non-terminating, sir? You will get out. I will tell you. Don't worry. This is one of the important topic. Last exercise in your real numbers. Okay, HCF and LCM I'll discuss later. Don't worry. So children, suppose 1 by 2 is there. When I divide 1 by 2, it is small number, so you can divide 0.5. Yes, it is terminating. Easily we can know it is terminating because small numbers means directly you can do, children. Suppose 5 by 2 is there. It is also 2.5. Yes, it is terminating. You can say easily. You can say because 5 by 2 is 2.5. Easily you can do. But sometimes big numbers will come. When big numbers will come, how to say whether a given number is terminating or non-terminating? Suppose I will give 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is not terminating because you get 0.33 so on. So it is non-terminating. Okay, children. Suppose I will give 1 by 7. It is non-terminating. It will never stop. Suppose I will give 1 by 5. It is 0.2. It is terminating. Means it will stop. So, according to Euclid's division algorithm, Euclid's division algorithm lemma, how to say whether a given number is terminating or not? That is today's topic. Okay, so children, please listen carefully. According to Euclid's algorithm, what he said means if any number is terminating if its denominator prime factorization is in the form of 2 to the power of m and 5 to the power of n. What does it mean? I will tell you, don't worry. Means the denominator should have only 2 and 5, children. The denominator should have only 2 and 5. No other number should be there. The denominator should have only 2 and 5. No other number should be present. Okay. If 2 and 5 is there, or only 2 is there, or only 5 is there, then it is terminating. Apart from this, any other number is coming, it is called non-terminating. That's all. You will not understand, children. I'll give some examples, then you will understand. Don't worry, I will give example. Okay, I will explain 10 sums here, children. Next 20 sums I will give as homework, children. First one. 1 by 2 terminating. Simple. Why? Because denominator should have 5 or 2 or 2 and 5. No other number should be present. 1 by 5 terminating. Why? Because denominator has only 5 in it. 1 by 10 terminating. Why? Because denominator prime factorization, you should do always prime factorization. Prime factorization of 10 is what, children? 2 and 5. No other number is there. 1 by 3 non-terminating. Denominator should have only 2 or 5 or 2 and 5. No other number. 3 is there, so non-terminating. That's all. If you check also, you will understand. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means what, children? 1 by 2 into 2. Only 2 is there, no? 1 by 2 means only 2 is there, no? Yes, it is terminating. That's all. 1 by 5. Yes, it is terminating. 1 by 6. Denominator prime factorization is what, children? 1 by 6 means 2 into 3. Denominator has 3, no? So it is non-terminating. I am telling you, no? Only 2, only 5 or 2 and 5. No other number should be there. Here 3 is there, so it is non-terminating. That's all. Are you able to understand, children? I'll explain with some more examples. Don't worry. I'll explain with some more examples. Okay, children? Just keep listening. If you keep listening, you'll understand. 1 by 7, non-terminating. 1 by 8. Numerator is not important, children. Denominator is not important. Okay? 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means prime factorization is 2 cube. Yes, it is terminating. Only 2 is there, no? 2 cube is terminating. 1 by 9. 1 by prime factorization is 3 into 3. 3 square. No, non-terminating. 1 by 10. Prime factorization. 2 into 5. Yes, terminating. Because 2 and 5, okay. 1 by 11. Non-terminating. 1 by 12. Prime factorization of 12, what children? Prime factorization means with prime numbers only you should do. 2 6 are, 2 3s are. So 1 by 2 into 2 into 3. 3 is there. So non-terminating. No other number should be present, children. 2, 3, 2 and 3. Sorry. 2, 5, 2 and 5. That's all. No other number. Are you able to understand, children? I hope you are getting a small little idea. Don't worry, children. 1 by 13, non-terminating. 13, what is their prime factors? Nothing. 1 by 14, prime factorization, 2 into 7. Other number is there, non-terminating. 1 by 15, 1 by 3 into 5. 3 is there. 5 should be there. 5 must be there. But 3 is there apart from this, so non-terminating. 1 by 16. Prime factorization of 16 is 2 to the power of 4. Only 2 is there. Yes, it is terminating. Only 2 is there. Prime factorization of 16 is 2 to the power of 4. Yes, it is terminating. Please try to understand, children. Okay, I'm showing with small examples. 1 by 17, non-terminating. 1 by 18, prime factorization of 18 of what, children? 2 into 3 into 3. 3 is there, so non-terminating. 1 by 19, directly non-terminating. 1 by 20, prime factorization. 1 by 2 into 5. Is it terminating or non-terminating? Anyone? Terminating. Very good. Why? Because only 2 and 5 is there. Very good, children. Only 2 and 5 is there. Only 2 okay. Only 5 okay. Only 2 and 5 okay. But no other number should be present. Try to understand, children. Try to understand. Okay. Next. I am explaining with so many numbers, children. 1 by 21. 3 into 7. Outrightly non-terminating. 2 is not there. 5 is not there. Nothing is there. 1 by 22. 2 into 11. 11 is there. Non-terminating. 1 by 23. 23 is there, non-terminating. 1 by 24, 2 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. What is the prime factorization of 24, children? 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. So children, 3 is there. So 3 is there. So 3 is there, non-terminating. Compulsory, you have to do prime factorization of denominator, children. If you see the prime factorization of denominator, then you will understand. So it is non-terminating. It is non-terminating. Okay. Today only I am telling how to check terminating or non-terminating. Tomorrow I will say if it is terminating, how to convert it to decimal. 1 by 25. 1 by 25 what, children? 5 into 5 means 1 by 5 square. Yes, it is terminating because only 5 is there. 1 by 26. 1 by 2 into 13. No, non-terminating. 1 by 27. 1 by 3 cube. 27 prime factorization is 3 cube. Non-terminating. That's all. 1 by 28. 28 means 2 into 2 into 7. Non-terminating because 7 is there. Like that you have to check, children. Like now I will give big numbers, children. I'll give big numbers. So many explain now. I'll give big numbers. How they will give an exam. 23 by 8. Numerator is not important for us, children. No problem. Numerator will come later. Is it terminating or non-terminating? 2 into 2 into 2. Prime factorization of denominator you should do. 23 by 2 cube. Only 2 is there. Only 2 is there. Yes, it is terminating. Only 2, only 5, only 2 and 5. Okay, children, one more example. 125 by 441. 125 by 441 means, children, prime factorization of 441 is 21 into 21 is 441. 3 into 7, 3 into 7. 3 into means 3 square into 7 square. So prime factorization is a no 2, no 5, non-terminating. Okay, children, big numbers I'm showing. Big numbers I'm showing. All of you see 35 by 50. Whenever you get like this numbers without simplification, don't do the sum, children. Compulsory you should do simplification. 5 7s are, 5 10s are. 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is what, children? 2 into 5. 10 prime factorization. Without simplification, don't do the sum. Without simplification, compulsory. Okay. So 2 is there, 5 is there. Yes, it is terminating. 2 is there, 5 is there. No other number is there. Yes, it is terminating. So many sums I explained, children. Till now, so many sums I told. Okay, you're able to understand? Some more. Five more I will explain, children. Then remaining sums I will give as homework. You have to do, children. 77 by 210. Without simplifying, don't do 7 11s are 7 30s are. So 11 by 30. 11 by 30. Prime factorization 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 are 6. Okay, 2 is there, 5 is there, but 3 isn't there in the middle. So non-terminating. 3 should not be there, children. Okay, next one, children. Next one. 129 by 2 square into 5 square into 7 to the power of 17. 2 is there, very good. 5 is there, very good, but 7 should not be there. So non-terminating. How try to please, children, mute your audios. Mute your audios. Okay, children. So non-terminating. Okay, last three sums I will tell, children. Remaining you have to do as your homework, children. Last three sums I will say. 987 by 10500. Okay. So 15, 24, 6. So children, this will go in three table. First to simplify. Without simplification, you should not do any sum, children. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Okay. And 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3500. So 329 by 3500. Okay, children. So 7 1 7 4 20. Children, 329 by 3500 means, children, see here, 5 into 7 into 10 into 10. Please listen. 7 4s are 28, 7 7s are 49. 47 by 47 by with 7 table is going on. 5 into 10 means 5 into 2. 10 means 5 into 2. Only 5s and 2s are there, so it is terminating. Only 5s and 2s are there, it is terminating. Please listen, children. Sir, 7 is there, that's why non terminating. You should not say. First, you should check whether it is going or not. If it is not going only, then you should identify. 3 by 8, 3 by 2 cube, 3 by 2 cube. 8 is 2 cube, no? Terminating. Okay, so many examples I'm giving, children. 13 by 125. 125 means what, children? 13 by 5 cube. 5 cube means only 5 is there, so terminating. It is terminating. And last sum for the day, children. 7 by 80. 7 by 80 means, children, 80 means 80 prime factorization, children. 80 prime factorization. 2 40s are, please check. 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are. 2 is there 4 times, 5 is there 1 time. It is terminating because only 2 and 5 is there. Only 2 and 5 is there, so it is terminating, children. I hope you all understood it. Okay, so children, today's sums are, we have to check whether a given number is terminating or non-terminating. That's all. Only you have to check whether a given number is terminating or non-terminating. That is your today's homework, children. Only you have to check whether a given number is terminating or non-terminating. But today you are going to do that only, children. I'll give homework. All of you keep copying down, children. I'll give 20 sums. All of you keep copying down. First, copy this question, children. Copy this question. I'll do some homework. Then you have to copy it, children. I'll give the questions to you. Some questions. Copy down now. So, children, always denominator should have only 2, only 5, or 2 and 5, no other number. Come on, children. Copy down question. 17 by 8. 15 by 1600. Don't forget to simplify, children. I'm writing this in. Okay, if you forget, go on, children. 64 by 455. 13 by 3125. Please copy the questions, all of you. 13 by 3125. 29 by 343. 343. And 23 by 2 square into 5 cube. Okay, no problem, children. Okay, 24 by 2 3 into 5 square into 3. Always try to simplify and check because this 3 will go. Okay, 3 is there, so non-terminating. Don't write it directly. That's why I'm giving, children, so that you will check. keep copying children. And if I want to give some more children. Okay, children, I hope you copy. And here's some more examples. Children, you copied this. Some more examples I want to give. You know, writing here, children. So 42 by 100, 15 by 4, minus 4 by 9, minus 22 by 13, 33 by 26, 33 by 26. We are copying all those questions. 33 by 26. 1 by 7, 18, 2 by 11, 19, and 17 by 8, 20, 327, 327 by 500, 21, minus 2 by 21, minus 2 by 50. Do all these questions as homework, children. Do all these questions.
So 15 and 16 you wrote.
15 and 16, what I wrote? 15. Same I wrote, huh? Okay, no problem. No problem. So children, this is your homework for tomorrow. Just to identify whether they are terminating or non-terminating. Okay. And after identifying a compulsory, you should write reason. For all of them, you should write it. Wherever simplification is there, please do simplification also. And some places you have to do simplify this also. You should simplify this also. You should simplify. Please check it. Where simplification is there, better always simplify and do the prime. Always denominators prime factorization. Remember, children, prime factorization means you should do with prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, like that. With prime numbers only you should do. I will do with 4, I will do with 6, I will do with 9 means it's not possible, children. Prime factorization means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Keep on. Copy all the sums. Please do. And compulsory for every sum, write the reason. Why it is terminating, why it is not terminating, and what happened. Please write down reasons, children. Okay, children. By this, I'm ending the session, children. If you have any doubts, you let